Imagine two people. Both start with the same amount of money. Both work hard. Both are smart. But 20 years later, one is rich, the other is still struggling. What happened? Did the rich one work harder? Did they get lucky? Not exactly. They used something most people never learn. A shortcut. Not an illegal shortcut. Not a trick. Not a secret investment. Something much simpler, something hiding in plain sight. A strategy wealthy people quietly use again and again. And once you see it, you'll notice it everywhere. Today we're going to reveal the rich man's shortcut. Meet Alex. Alex works a normal job. He earns a decent salary, nothing crazy. But he follows a simple rule. Work. Save. Spend carefully. This is what most people are taught. Earn money, then save money, then slowly build wealth. Sounds reasonable, right? But there's a problem. This path is very slow. Imagine trying to fill a swimming pool with a teaspoon. That's what building wealth through savings alone feels like. It takes forever. Now meet someone else. Marcus. Marcus does something strange. He doesn't focus on saving first. Instead, he focuses on control. Control of assets. Control of income streams. Control of systems. This is where the shortcut begins. The first difference. Alex buys things. Marcus buys systems. Alex buys a car. Marcus buys a parking garage. Alex buys a phone. Marcus buys shares in the company that sells phones. Alex buys products. Marcus buys the machine that sells the products. This small difference changes everything. The money machine. Let's imagine money as workers. Alex hires money once. Marcus hires money forever. Alex uses $100 to buy shoes. Marcus uses $100 to buy something that produces more money. Now his $100 has employees. Those dollars start working. Day and night. Even when Marcus sleeps. This is the rich man's shortcut. Let's watch what happens over time. Year 1. Alex saves $5,000. Marcus buys an asset that produces $5,000. Looks the same, but it's not. Because next year, Alex saves another $5,000. Marcus's asset produces another $5,000. And he uses that money to buy another asset. Now Marcus owns 2 money machines. Year 3, Marcus owns 3. Year 4, 4. Soon something interesting happens. Marcus stops working harder, but his income keeps growing. The multiplication effect. Alex's income grows in a straight line. Work more, work less, earn less. But Marcus's income grows differently. It multiplies. 1 asset becomes 2, 2 become 4, 4 become 8. Soon Marcus owns a small forest of money trees. Alex is still planting 1 seed at a time. The hidden rule. This reveals a powerful rule. Rich people don't just work for money. They make money work for them. Alex trades time for dollars. Marcus trades systems for dollars. 1 hour of Alex's work earns money once. But Marcus's assets keep earning forever. Even while he's sleeping. Even while he's on vacation. Even while he's doing nothing. This is the shortcut. The trap. Most people fall into. Most people never see this because they're too busy chasing income. They upgrade their lifestyle, better car, bigger house, more expenses. Suddenly, their salary must support their lifestyle, so they work harder. But wealth never appears. They are running faster. On the same treadmill. Now watch what happens after 10 years. Alex has worked hard, saved carefully, built a decent bank account. Marcus? Marcus owns systems, rental properties, businesses, investments, assets that produce income, and something magical happens. His assets begin earning more than his job. This is the moment everything changes. Marcus is no longer working for money. Money is working for Marcus. The machines are running, and they never stop. So, what is the rich man's shortcut? It's not a specific investment. It's not a specific job. It's a mindset shift. Instead of asking, what can I buy? Rich people ask, what can I own that produces income? Instead of buying consumption, they buy production. Imagine two people. One buys bread every day, the other buys the bakery. One spends money, the other controls the money machine. The bakery sells bread forever. The customer must buy bread forever. This is the shortcut. The rich man's shortcut is simple. Buy assets, build systems, create machines that produce money. Because working harder has limits, but owning systems does not. A person can only work so many hours, but assets can work 24 hours a day. Imagine building a team. Alex works alone. Marcus hires thousands of tiny workers. Each dollar becomes an employee. Each asset becomes a factory. Soon the factories run themselves, and the owner simply collects the results. So here's a question. Right now, are you buying things or are you buying machines that produce money? Because the moment you switch, you stop running on the treadmill and start building the shortcut. The same shortcut the wealthy have used for centuries.